Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is once again bounced by the support of this bearish pennant, and in today's video we will once again take a look whether the price line is going to break out this pennant or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me just show you this previous previous patterns. And we can see previously we have been watching this very long-term down channel when we had a big drop from October to January 2022 and October 2021. And after getting bounced by the support of the channel here on 24th of January, finally we broke it out. And after breaking out, we were stuck inside this rising wedge pattern. Now we have recently broken down the support of the rising wedge pattern and tested the previous support of the rising wedge pattern as a resistance, and now we are moving down. But while moving down, Bitcoin has also broke down this very important support of $39,500, and now this support can work as a resistance for the price line of BTC. And at the same time, it has also formed a bearish pennant on the same daily time frame chart as well. Let me place the same trend lines on the same chart so it will be easy for you to understand how the price line broke down the support of this rising wedge, and now it has formed another bearish pennant. Now this bearish pennant is giving us an expectation that from here we can expect a reversal towards the upside, and we can again re-enter the same wedge. Right now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we can see that we went very close to the support of the wedge but did not touch it. We just bounced by this support of $37,500. This is the recent support that we have found here, and you can see recently we have this bounce by this $37,500. We moved up again. Now we are having the second bounce, and even previously, if we take a look at the previous history, then we can see this $37,500 has been working as a nice support, like here back on 14th of March, and here back on 7th of March as well, and also here on 27th of February 2022. And at the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart and place here RSI oscillator, then we also have a bullish divergence on the chart as the price line formed this low lower than previous low, and here we had RSI forming a higher low. So there is also a bullish divergence on the chart. Therefore, I was telling you that we can expect a bounce, and the price line can make another attempt to break out this resistance of the pennant. Now let's take a look at the targets for this pennant. Then we can see that first we have a very strong resistance here at $42,000. And we can see that previously this level has been breaking as a resistance and support at the different levels. And then our final target can be here at the top of this pennant, that will be approximately at $48,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.